Good morning, everyone. Next, we will continue on the next topic. Next one is objective of taxation. The main objective is revenue generation is main objective. The revenue fundamental objective of taxation for governments on various levels, whether local, regional, and national. Here's an explosion. Revenue generation is consists of taxation. First one is financing government expenditure. The primary purpose of revenue generation through the taxation is to finance government expenditure. Then government required fund to provide public goods and services such as infrastructure, education, health care, social welfare programs, and then more. The tax revenue is main source for funding for these public expenditure. The budgetary needs, second point, the revenue is circulum meeting the budgetary need of governments. It enable them to cover operational expenses, salaries, or public servant and maintenance cost, depending services, and other financial obligations. Third one is economic stability. Adequate revenue generations help government maintain economic stability by ensuring sufficient fund for public investment, infrastructure development, and social welfare programs. Governments can contribute the economic growth and stability during economic downturns, and government means used to tax policy demands and provides the physical stability supporting to the economic. Next point is public servers service provision. Tax revenue is essential for providing public services that contribute the well-being and quality of life of citizens. The services include education, healthcare, transportation, sanitation, public safety, and more. Reliable tax revenue ensure the continuity and quality of the service. Fifth point is redistribution of wealth. The taxations can be serves tools of redistributing wealth and within society. Progressive tax system, whether higher income individuals are taxed at the higher rates, can help distribute wealth from the affluent less portable through the social welfare programs and assistance. Sixth point is reductions of physical stability. The tax revenues can use it to reduce government to invest the critical infrastructure projects and development indicates. The eighth one is continuously funding. The tax revenue providing governments with the resource that depends on emergency, natural destroys, then other inconvenient times they will use to the allowed to fund to emergency relief. That time humanities and assistance when that is needed. If summary revenue generation, so the taxation is essential for the functioning the government and the provision of public goods and services. It plays a role of financing government expenditure, promoting economic stability, supporting public service, distributing the wealth, ensuring the physical, and addressing various social needs and challenges. Sales tax. The sales tax is impossible of the sale of goods and services that the point of purchase. It is usually fixed percentage of selling price. Next one is excise duty. Excise duty tax on levied on specific goods such as tobacco products, fuel, and luxury items. These taxes are often used to destroy the consumption of harms products of the rises revenue. Next one is customs duty. Customs duty, also known as the tariffs or tax imposed on import and exports. They can use to protect domestic industry, regulate trade, and generation of revenue. These are the points included in objective of this study. Next class will be taken on another topic. Everyone could recall the topics and If you have any doubts, please ask to me. I will explain you. Thank you all.